Hello Queens, here I am with a new video. This picture was taken as we celebrated our amazing pastor. I recently shared a flyer of this occasion. We had an amazing time, but the reason I decided to create this tutorial is because this crochet here, which is a Yankee twist, has become my favorite type of crochet here. I also got a lot of compliments and questions in reference to the hair. Now, I will say that I started this tutorial at least a week after I installed the hair. As you can see here, the hair that's left out is a little messy, and also my edges are messy as well, but you will see why I have come to love this hair shortly. So these are the items that you want to use. You first want to spray the hair with some water. You don't want to spray a lot to damp the hair. Then you want to apply the mousse of your choice, the ones that you love to use with your hair. And then you want to apply some gel in the part that's left out. Now, you want to use any gel of your choice. I love this black protein gel because it's not flaky and it doesn't leave any residue once it's dried. I was out of my basket and ladder, so I decided to use this spray gel. It is marvelous to do your edges. Now you want to have, of course, your little edge brush to, do your edges, and then cut away your flyaway hairs. And then once you're done with that, you want to spray the hair with the oil sheen. It's going to make the hair look amazing. So you're going to go from this to this. I simply love this hair because it looks so natural. And now we're going to go on to the installation of the hair. As you can see or will see in the tutorial, I use a mannequin because, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I did this tutorial a week after I installed the hair.